stand for inclusive, accessible, and compassionate healthcare for the LGBTQIA community. Thank you for standing with us at Live with Pride, where love, wellness, and representation go hand in hand. Your presence reminds us that self-care is self-love, and both are worth celebrating. May we call on Love on stage from Love Pride. Step into a space where authenticity reigns, talent knows no bounds, and pride takes the spotlight. Love Pride, or L Pride, is the Philippines' pioneering LGBTQIA+ modeling and talent agency, a bold and beautiful home built on inclusivity, or visibility, and the unstoppable power of queer brilliance. More than just faces and talents, L Pride represents resilience, representation, and the spirit of true change. From runways to wheels, L Pride breaks barriers and uplifts LGBTQIA+ creatives and performers, showing the world that real beauty is being unapologetically seen and proudly heard. Tonight and every night, L Pride stands not just in the spotlight, but on the front lines of representation. In every pose, performance, and powerful story, they deliver one message loud and clear. Love wins, pride leads, talent shines. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm, fierce, and fabulous welcome to Love Pride